Isn't it cute?
$19.99? Dang, look at you!
What are you doing here?
Stand up in that dress.
No.
What you look like?
Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about a subscription box that was sent to me, and I want to share with all of you what this box is. So if you guys are interested in finding out what this box is about, continue watching. So the subscription box that I'm talking about is Oh Baby boxes. Now this box is targeted towards all you pregnant moms out there. A lot of you, I have noticed, are pregnant and are subscribers to my channel, so this I feel like is the best thing to talk about. So this box will definitely benefit you. So the company is called Oh Baby Boxes, and it is a monthly subscription that you can go ahead and do yourself online, and you just pretty much put your due date, and each box that you are given monthly is targeted towards your due date. So I'm due February 16th, so they went ahead and sent me this box. Let's go ahead and open this box. I want to thank Oh Baby Boxes for sending me their subscription box. So this is how the box looks. It has really cute packaging. The first thing that they have, I see, is a pamphlet. Now in this pamphlet, it shows you all about pretty much what the company is all about. It talks about how to get a free baby box that you can do. You can do hashtags and things like that on their Instagram page. They also talk about all the products that are in this box that are included in the box. They show you a brief description of what the product is about and how much it retails for. The value of the products for this entire box is $110. As a monthly subscription, you are only going to be paying $39, which is a good deal because, like I said, the products that are inside here is a total of $110 plus. Let's go ahead and dive in and see what products we have. So the first product that I have here is a t-shirt that they sent me, and like I said, every product that is in here is curated for what your due date is, so I can definitely fit into the shirt still. I got a size medium, and it says ain't no hood like motherhood, so that's what this shirt is. It's a really cute shirt. I love the fabric. It feels like cotton. Is it cotton? So that was nice of them. So the t-shirt retails for $25.95. So that's how much this shirt would cost you at like retail. So $25.95. Now for the next product I have is, oh, this is cute, is baby boots. It's little baby's first booties, lamb edition. Now this retails for $19.99. So it's these little baby booties. Let me go ahead and open the package to show you guys. It's so cute. Fuzzy, furry, cute little shoes for the baby. This retails for $19.99. Now for the next product that I have that they sent me is Baby's First Circle Wooden Milestone Cards. Let's see what this is about. So go ahead and open this.
Oh my gosh.
Oh wow. This is cute. So it's milestone cards. I didn't even know what it was. I'm like telling you guys, but I don't really know what it is. When the baby's born, I would use this one. It says Hello World. And they also have my first birthday. And they have my first Halloween, my first Thanksgiving, and they also have my first Christmas. So these are cute milestone cards that you can use, you know, when you take pictures and you post them on Instagram or Facebook. You can use these milestone cards in your baby's photos. So that's really cute and awesome to have. And that retails for $19.99. On the next product is the Next Stop Hydration Station, and it's a fingernail mask. Ooh, I needed this. I need this for my cuticles because my cuticles is looking sad. Anyways, and this retails for only $5. It's really good to have, especially if you're trying to do like a R&R for yourself at home. Next product that they sent me is the moisturizing face ampoule. Is that how you say ampoule? With aloe vera extracts. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what it's all about. Ooh, this is cute. It's a moisturizing face oil. So it's pretty much a moisturizer that you can use. Let's go ahead and feel it. So this is a moisturizer, and this retails for $17.99. Ooh, this feels like it works, you know what I mean? But yeah, this retails for $17. Ooh, and there's no like scent, there's no fragrance. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna have to try this. The next product that they sent is a nail polish, and it's from the brand Kinks Active Beauty. So this is what they sent. It's a peel off gel nail polish, and you can pretty much apply this on and then just peel it off when you want to switch a color. So this is something that I definitely want to use because I don't really like the smell of like actual nail polish and having to use acetone remover to take off your regular nail polish. So this you can just wait and then it'll peel off on its own. Ooh, and that's a cool nail polish to have. So this retails for $12. So the next product that they sent me, and it's the last product, is the Chillax Roll-On Oil, and it's pretty much an essential oil that you can roll on your neck or your skin or your linen or anything where that you need some relaxation. This retails for $10 and is alcohol free and pretty much helps you to get a good night's rest. I'm normally waking up at night during the middle of the night, especially us being pregnant. We wake up in the middle of the night and we can't go back to sleep. This is supposed to help relax you and to put you back to sleep, and you know, just a good aroma to have. I normally have my diffuser on, so this is definitely a bonus to have, especially if I can rub it on my pillow, my clothes, my skin, anywhere to help me get a good night's rest. Now this is non-toxic, vegan, and handmade and sustainable, so this is awesome to use for us pregnant mamas. As you guys can see from all these products, this is all tailored for me. Like I said, I am due February 16, and Oh Baby Boxes is a monthly subscription. So if you guys are interested in taking a look at the website, I will leave the link below in the description box so you guys can check it out for yourselves. This is definitely an awesome thing to have for us pregnant moms, especially, you know, we get home and we see like our little subscription box there. We get all excited because, you know, we have some goodies to open up. So yeah, that's pretty much it on this subscription box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye guys.